Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap. In front of all of you, I am presenting the Economics Time newspaper headlines. So, first of all, demand for essential jump in April June. Next, Tesla names insider Vaibhav Taneja CFO. Next, long tail phone brands grow at fast clip as budget peers slip. Next, SEBI on steroids. Next, Byju's Davidson Kempner in talks to settle dispute. Next, laptop tablet sales jump on import curves. Next, LS passes data bill by voice vote. Next, QIA buys 2.7% in Adani Green for rupees 3,920 crore. Next, Rahul returns to Lok Sabha to take part in no trust motion debate. Next, and Fin sells 10.3% Paytm stake to CEO Vijay Shekhar Sharma for debentures. Next, Indian demand traders looking at non-US markets. Next, Supreme Court High Court judges must declare assets, say Parel panel. Next, all women judicial panel to look into Manipur atrocities. Next, with RS Noor, Parel passes Delhi Services Bill. Next, 2-year convicted BJP MP moves Agra District Court. Next, 4 women MP walk out of RSS Gojio begins speech. Next, Supreme Court remands Tamil Nadu minister to 5-day ED custody. Next, on page number 3, pure politics section in that Supreme Court, High Court judges must mandatorily declare assets, says Parel panel. Next, no split in NCP, Sharad Pawar faction to Election Commission. Next, Supreme Court refuses stay on caste survey in Bihar. Next, Bilkis case, Supreme Court begins hearing of appeals. Next, will tie up with Kong for LS poll, Aam Admi Party, AAP Gujarat chief. On page number 4 in around the world section in that China foreign investment gutch hits 25-year low. Next, German industry output plunges to 6-month low in June. Next, UK house prices fall for fourth straight month, Halifax says. Next, breathing peace into the canvas. Next, Tesla names Vaibhav Taneja CFO. Next, UBS to reduce 2/3 of Credit Suisse bankers in Asia. Next, South Aramco quarter two profit drops 38% to $30 billion, boost dividend. Next, Toshiba prepares for $14 billion deal to take conglomerate private. Next, William Franklin, acclaimed exocrict director, dies at 87. Next, Zuckerberg says he is ready for cage fight, may need surgery before that, says Musk. Next, Elon Musk, Neuralink rises to $280 million to develop brain implants. On page number 5, brand and companies section in that demand for essential items at decade high levels. Next, Jet Airways creditors may withdraw NCLAT petition if JKC deposit rupees 350 crore. Next, rural market helps Pepsi India grow. Annual targets remain unchanged. Next, new COVID variant found in India, but no rise in cases. Next, Bengaluru Avesthagen plans to raise $50 million for global push. On page number 7 in companies section in that Capgemini reviews lease for more than 3 lakh square feet office space in Kokapet, Hyderabad. Next, Adani Energy Solutions secures $1 billion for green HVDC link project. Next, Bajaj Hindustan plans to infuse fresh equity into business. Next, Aprav Energy gets rupees 9,120 crore from REC PFC. Next, Wari Energies rises rupees 1,000 crore in equity funding. Next, Max Health's quarter 1 profit up 27% at rupees 291 crore. Next, Torrent Pharma's net dip 7% to rupees 398 crore in quarter 1. Next, Kotak's Realty NBFC aims to double developer loans portfolio in 3 years. Next, cooling off by the nil. Next, vehicle registration stay in the fast lane. Next, domestic EV sales will continue to rise with or without subsidies. Next, on page number 18, market section in that TVS supply chains IPO opens Thursday. Next, global funds Blackstone's 50% in Panchsheel and Salarpuria assets. Next, VRL stake sale in Vedanta not enough for stable rate outlook S&P. Next, why the downgrade? Next, Shanghai buy to help Ambuja Cement scale up fast may even set stage for a price war. On page number 9 is smart investing section in that Ask Wealth advisory arm unveils first private credit fund. Next, Sarkari banks trump private peers in drawing fresh talent. Next, another Junjunwala long bet blows with Concord biotech offer. Next, insurers buying into STRIPS may lead to softer GSEC yields. Next, China's loss are gain for India. Next, meetings with lenders. Next, no tax implication of deal in India. Next, eyeing more brand participation. Next, IT hardware product worth $8.8 billion imported in FY23. On page number 10, companies section in the telecom market headed for effective duopoly. Next, no objection from IBBI COC to go first ticket refund plea. Next, High Court dismisses PIL against Google India. Next, 5G push 5G push Airtel rolls out its fixed wireless access device. On page number 11, companies section in that Indian Oil chairman gets 1 year extension. Next, refiners gain from exporters even as volumes fall. Next, long tail phone brands grow at a fast clip as budget peers slip. Next, Japan's Mixi sets aside $50 for India startup investments. Next, Cognizant clocks 100 plus Gen AI engagements. Next, Tech M names Atul Sonija has its new co. On page number 12, economy section in that moonlightning employees under tax scanner. Next, exporters seek amnesty scheme on IGST refund issuers. Next, post SC ruling, banks turn wary of declaring accounts as willful default. Next, Niti looking at tax issues of leather textile engineering. Next, tomato prices upon rains crop seasonality. Next, government definite higher output in August will bring down prices. Next, center's debt profile in safe zone. Next, Indian demand traders explore non-US markets. On page number 13, edit page section in that privacy safety not data use regulation. Next, Pura turn for Manipur. Next, a divine companion. Next, eyes peeled on the peeling food app bill. Next, a self implicating uh, tirade policy. Next, G20 FY the startup space. Next, applying and wearing lipstick. Next, don't tom tomato crisis. Next, the super righteous picky eating Kiran B. Next, let's not die till we leave. On page number 14, economic panacha section in that why people don't care about Justin Trudeau's separation. Next, ex Alice use Monaco's ruler in Rockfile scandal. Next, close safe. Next, the controversy behind this luxury vehicle gift. Next, consuming added sugar can increase risk of kidney stone. Next, India edge out South Korea 3-2 enters semis. Next, victory replaces Lara as SRH head coach. Next, the Pakistan cricket board on Monday reappoint. Next, no Labuschagne in Australia's squad. Next, misfiring batters, unstoppable Puran. Next, she's one of the fastest women ever. All she's missing is a gold medal. On page number 15, disruption section in that LS passes data bill by voice vote amid opposition deal. Next, Bisamar says India SAS is on track to touch $550 billion by 2030. Next, decoding data protection bill 2023. Next, Google search gets grammar check feature. Next, Miso post first monthly profit as order claims 43%. Next, PwC resigns as auditor of Paytm payment services. Next, PB fintechs cut losses by 94% to rupees 12 crore in Q1. Next, Coforge eyeing AI driven sprint to $2 billion mark. CEO. On page number 17, in economic time market section, in that pharma index hit a new high as investor lap up defensive. Next, Kadar investment unit buys 2.7% in Adani Green for rupees 3,920 crore. Next, FTSE Russell to rise HDFC Bank's weight in emerging call cap. Next, SEBI to enhance reporting of group level transactions. Next, SBFC Finance public issue subscribed over 70 times. That much for today. Thanks for watching.